This is terrible.
You know you could have just asked this.
Yeah, I know. Oh,
Hey, what do you think, man? Have a good night.
We can't even open it with you there. That's the crazy part. We can't open it without harming you.
Well, nothing's coming out.
Hey, he didn't pick it up. It's not in. He just picked it up. Why you hiding?
I know the law too. You don't have to get in.
Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Get on the floor now!
I know the law. You don't have to
Get on the floor!
That's better. You don't have
Get
to
on the
get in.
floor!
You got no right to get in.
Get on the floor! You're being detained for a search!
Alright, I'm going to drop a taser. Get on the floor.
Now,
Get on the floor now or you're going to get
Stop
tasered.
it!
Let go of my jacket. Pulling me towards you.
Get up because it's brown with me. I'm not black, that's why I can't.
Get on the floor or I will use my taser. Let go of my jacket.
You got no right to use it.
Who's got money?
You got no right to use the freezer. You got no right. Yeah, you don't know. You got no right. You don't know the law.
Oh.
I don't care.
Get the fuck up.
Do not spray the
No, just get off.
Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh,
Move an hand boat, please.